to the premiere of my movie Derailed. Let's go. We're here. All we gotta do is cross the street and then we'll go in. So excited.
What are you doing?
We are here at the premiere.
I'm gonna do that while they're waiting.
How are you? You flew in all the way?
Yeah.
Nice.
Come in, brother.
Ben, good to see you. See you. Hey, Ben. How are you? Hi. Logan. You? Yeah. So you guys came?
So we are in the theater, and it's super cool seating here in the theater. The cast is not here yet because they're still on the red carpet, but we shall see. Derailed.
We are currently in the theater with very comfy seats. Like, look at these. And we're excited to watch it. You know, it's gonna be fun.
Thank you guys for all being here.
Now is the Q&A time.
Hopefully you enjoyed the screening.
It's Shay and the director.
You know, I'd like to start off with one about, tell us about, I was curious, someone was saying, I believe it was you, about wrap as early as recent as July, rather. That's an awfully fast turnaround. Almost unheard of as a, yeah, that's a serious post cycle. So can you tell us a little bit about, did you at all feel rushed, or was it, you know, tell us a little bit about the transition from July to now.
So we were, you know, trying to make the film market first in Toronto, and so we were rushed to do that. And I mean, our producer is just extraordinary. She worked 24/7, always, and so, you know, it was just hustling and getting everyone on board, from, you know, editing, sound, color, everything. And yeah, it sounds nearly impossible, but you know, we did it, and it was long days.
So when were you in? When was Toronto?
That was in
wrapped
September.
So you
right?
really had 2 months?
Yes.
Wow.
Yep.
That's
We
unheard of.
wrapped in like second week in July, and then we had it out for the first market. Yeah, I mean, we were able to, we made a couple little changes since then, not extreme, but, you know, we had it tweaking exactly, and then, yeah, and I mean, it's amazing on her.
And then in comparison to that, what was your film schedule? Like, how long were you filming? What was your pre-production?
Right. So we filmed we filmed in Los Angeles and in Philadelphia. So 12 days total. We had a couple pickup days.
Okay.
Yeah. So we filmed first in Los Angeles for 6 days. 6 days. Yeah, 6 days, and then we went to Philadelphia and filmed there. We had a little bit of weather issues, so we had to hold a day, and you know that goes. Right.
I'm going to have you please say and spell your name for our camera, please.
Yes. Hi, my name is Shay Smolik. It's spelled Shaesmolik.
Thank you, Shay, for sitting down to have an interview today. No problem. We're going to start over. If you could please say and spell your name for the camera.
Sure. Hi, my name is Shay Smolik. That's spelled S-H-A-E-S-M-O-L-I-K.
Awesome. You look absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you.
Congratulations on starting a movie that's entered to the festival. Please tell us about the movie that you're playing.
Well, it's a super fun movie. It's filled with so many genres. It's filled with drama, and some comedy, and also horror. Horror is a big category. It's about a murder mystery train that derails in the water. And it's this huge thing, and then it's sinking in the water. So we have to find a way to get out. But in the water is some creature, we don't know what it is, so we have to try and get out until that creature gets us. So we go swim, and there's a bunch of buildings that we can go into. We can go into this one, and we didn't really follow it, of course, because we thought he lived in the water. But it's just this huge deal where everyone's dying, and I'm losing I lose my nanny and my close people close to me. So it's just a really hard, time for the people in the movie, and it's just
Wow, it sounds really good. Like, I can't wait to see it myself. What's your favorite scary movie?
oh gosh. Besides this movie.
Right.
I really don't watch scary movies, but if I do, I don't know. I've only seen clips of horror. I've only seen clips of horror movies because,
What advice would you have for any actors or actresses like yourself who wants to get into the horror film genre and may not have an outlet to go about? What advice would you give them?
I would just say, step into that character, become that person. Because if you don't, obviously you won't know how they act. So also be yourself. I know it's kind of hard to be yourself and like someone else, but like going into that audition room, you have to be yourself. So I know when I walked into that audition room, I was energetic and fun until I got into my character and really got into her. And I stepped in her shoes and felt what she would feel. So it's just kind of, you got to step into their own shoes and imagine what they would be like.
You are so well spoken.
Thank
You
you.
look absolutely gorgeous. Congratulations. And if you could please reveal your favorite scary things for the camera. Congratulations. Thank you.
I just got done with the premiere, and can I say that it was so cool to see it all come together and see it on a big screen, and everyone did amazing in the movie, and now we are watching football, and it was just such a good premiere. Thank you to everyone, if you guys are watching this. Thank you to everyone who made that happen, because it was a good movie. Check it out when it comes out. But now we're watching football.
Now it's
football time. Football time.
football time.
Woo!
Yes.
Oh, hey guys. Sorry, I'm playing Uno, and it's a really intense game.
Uno is intense. Uno's intense.
Yes, and I kind of was paying attention to my brother instead of, watching, and I got a lot of cards now, and that happened. So, anyways, we are actually, today is obviously a different day, and we are going to the VR place. What's it called?
Virtual reality world.
Virtual reality world, and it's basically, obviously, you guys should know what it is. It's a virtual reality world. Winner, chicken dinner. Anyways, now we are out to eat before we go to the virtual reality, and then we might, after the virtual reality place, go to the Empire State Building, but it's really foggy out, so if we go to the top, obviously we won't be able to see much, but if it clears out, we will go, so we're doing.
Stay tuned.
Yep. Level up. I'm so good at this game.
Right now we are in VR world. So it's all these different VR games. They have multiple stories of games, like 3 stories.
Jackson.
And Shay and Jackson are just checking it out to see if they want to do it. Shay, you think you're gonna like this? Yeah, looks fun. All right, we're gonna try it out. Wow, it's beautiful. Constellations on the ceiling. Get your tickets over here, and then different tracks are on the walls. This is really pretty in here. I thought it was going to be really dirty and messy, but it's really nice. Grand Central Station main concourse. So we walked through a door that said track 28, and you just come down here and board your train. And there's lots more tracks down there. You just walk in. Here comes the train down the track. Yeah, it's gonna go somewhere, wherever track 27 takes them. It's raining outside, so our hair's a mess, just FYI.
Don't mind us. Yo, it's our last day in New York. Anyways, we are about to go to Central Park and ride bikes, and they film a lot of movies there too, so we're gonna go there and ride some bikes. So unfortunately, we didn't get to see the Empire State Building because it's so like not nice days. But today it's pretty nice. It's 60 out, not cold, and they did say the sun was gonna shine, but the sun's not shining.
So we are going to go and ride, well, we're going to take the subway over to Central Park. It's about 3 stops away. And we will get back to you when we are at Central Park. Yay!
On the subway. No, it is a bumper ride. We are now at Central Park. We got our bikes and our helmets. I got a yellow one, Jackson got a
Green one.
He doesn't like it. I think it looks good. Anyways, I'm super excited and let's go! I haven't ridden a bike in forever.
Look at all the little petty bike things, and there's horses back there, and this is the entrance, one of the entrances to Central Park, so we're gonna go.
And those are all condos, and those are all the rich people live. And like, if you buy a condo over there, they're like $10 million, and really expensive if you ask me. But that is Westman.
And we are at Central Park. We've been bicycling around. We thought it was going to be nice and warm today, and it wasn't, so we had to go by TJ Maxx in Manhattan to buy.
My hands are purple. Can you see that?
To buy coats.
My hands are purple.
Yeah. Anyway, we're going back on the bikes. It's super windy
the sun
too.
is coming out.
Yay.
What about the lighting?
We are now at the airport to go home, and it's been super fun in New York, but unfortunately we have to leave. But I wish we weren't, because of course, who doesn't love New York? But I had so much fun. Thanks to my lovely parents for taking me out here, and thanks to my brother for entertaining me. Very entertaining, that one. But make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe for more videos like this.
I have a question for you, Shay. What was your favorite experience in New York?
Well, besides my movie premiere, I would have to say, oh my gosh, that's so hard. Probably just seeing Times Square, because it's so cool just to like be there and seeing where the ball dropped and everything. Because as you know, you guys saw the ball drop, but that was really cool.
Okay, awesome. And you did such a good job riding your little bike in Central Park. You're such
Thank
a trooper.
you. Yeah, our
Where I
legs.
got off and had to walk my bike because there's a lot of hills in Central Park that I didn't know existed.
Yes, like very big hills, like
Yeah.
boom hills, and our legs might not work tomorrow. But that's
Yeah,
okay,
tomorrow
you
we're going to
know?
be sore.
It's
No
an
Pilates
excuse
for
for
me
not going
tomorrow.
to school.
That's right.
But
All
yeah,
right.
make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe for more videos like this.